If you sort of zoom out for a moment, what we're really trying to say here is don't leave it up to chance how they will interpret what you're saying. As a negotiator, you want to manage the attributions people make of what you're doing. So when you make a concession, for example, the exact same concession in a negotiation can seem like a nice gesture. It can seem like a wise approach to negotiation, but a concession can also seem like what? It could be a gift. What else? Weakness. You could look desperate. You could look naive. Well, what do you want them to think when you make a concession? Well, ideally, you want them to, ideally, you want them to think you are wise and nice, smart and nice, not naive or desperate. But the same concession can be interpreted in many different ways. So one of the things you always want to be doing, whether it's making a concession, whether it's calling them back, whether it's choosing not to call back, is think about the attributions they're going to make and get into the habit of trying to manage the attributions. And how you do it depends on the situation. You're not going to say, here's a concession, and just so you know, that is because I'm wise and I'm smart and I'm being nice, not those things. But you need to think about, am I going to come across as desperate if I make it now or in this way without ... And how do I make sure that the right attribution gets established?